Good day viewers, this is Majda Khanam. I'm an HR professional based in UAE. So here I'm, as I already said in my previous video, I'm starting a series of videos in which I will be answering the frequently asked questions. And then later on I'll be guiding how you can find job in UAE or in Gulf, or how you can in general find job. So here I will be answering the question, can I get a job in UAE? As already I answered, like, is my job available in UAE? So the thing is, if you're confident, if you feel you can get a job there back home, you can get it here. Now the question is, the next question which comes is, which job can I get? Most candidates who contact me say, I want a good job, I want I want any job. So the answer to this question, any job or good job, is there. Every job is a good job, and if by good job you mean a good salaried job, so you can get a job which matches your skill set and your qualification. For example, if we can say the CEO is the one who is the highest paid, or the project director is the one who is the highest paid job, but unless you have the relevant experience, skill set, qualification, you can't get it. So the people who are looking for any job, good job, they need to decide what job they want and what job matches their skill set and qualification. For example, if somebody has done BCom or MCom or ACCA, that person is fit for an accountant job, or has a similar commerce degree. Or if he wants to go into programming, definitely, or coding, he can't get a job in the IT department, or in a company where they make programs. So deciding about your good job, please decide about your job, what job you want, what job title you need. Decide upon two or three job titles. For example, let's say if somebody has done civil engineering or has some experience of civil engineering, he can be a site engineer. If he has some experience in planning, he can be a planning engineer. Or he can be, or if he knows QS job, then he can be in QS. So decide about your job. If it is accountant, it is accountant general, or accountant VAT, or taxation, or what, and then look for those particular jobs. That's it. Thank you. Good luck with your job hunt.